Hello everyone, I'm Fauzan Tri Rizky with student master number 2407964. In this video, I want to take a moment to look back and reflect on my journey through this English course over the past semester. Thinking back to our first meeting, my first impression was honestly a bit intimidating. I remember looking at my classmates and thinking they all seemed so confident, while I felt quite insecure. At the beginning of the semester, my performance was very passive. I was playing it safe, mostly being a silent listener, because I was terrified of making grammar mistakes or mispronouncing words during discussion. I feel like I had the ideas in my head, but there was a wall blocking me from speaking them out loud. However, even though I lacked confidence at first, I made a promise to myself to stay committed. One of the ways I saw my dedication was through my attendance throughout the entire semester. I made it a top priority to be present in every single season. I believe that showing up is half the battle. By maintaining a 100% attendance record, I ensured that I did miss any explanation from the lecturer or important peer discussion. This consistency helped me stay on track even when then material started to get complication. It was my way of respecting the learning process. The biggest challenge arrived when we started living into TOEFL preparation. Honestly, TOEFL was the most challenging moment I faced this semester. The listening section felt like it was playing on two speed, and the structure part was full of struck tested my logic. My work is so hard because it requires high accuracy under intense time pressure. But amidst those struggles, I found my proudest moment. It was when I finally mastered the inverted structure and saw my practice score slowly but surely increasing. Personally, the most interesting thing I learned is that TOEFL is just a large test is a test of mental endurance and time management. I'm proud of myself for not giving up when the score were where I wasted them to be intelligent. So, what have I learned this semester? It's been more than just grammar. I've learned academic writing, effective reading strategies like skimming and scanning, and how to build logical arguments. However, I have to be honest, some challenges remain. I still struggle with advanced academic vocabulary and sometimes need more time to process complex texts. Moving forward, I want to learn more about natural public speaking so I can communication fluently in a professional environment. Based on my consistent attendance, my hard work during the TOEFL material, and the significant progress I've made from day one until now, I believe I deserve an insert grade A for this course. This grade represents my discipline and my refusal to stay in my comfort zone. Thank you to my lecturer and my friends for an incredible semester. It's been a journey of growth, and I'm excited for what next. See you.